I know that this topic might sound controversial, but what are your thoughts on AI art? You know, the mid journey, all that kind of stuff that is going on. And also, like I heard, there's another versions of like a Roblox Starter Rig that is based on the AI art also. So, like, what are your thoughts on that?
I think it's good and bad. It's both. I would say if it does get very improved in multiple years' time, it could get quite bad. But for now, I would say it's good for you like want to look for concept art. You could just tell it like, "Hey, I want this," and it will make it for you. And it wouldn't be like something that is realistic, super realistic. You could use that for reference to make art or something. But to make like actually incredible images or real life looking images, it's quite difficult for it at the moment. So I don't think it's bad right now, but it could get quite bad in the future. That's why it's good and bad. Yeah, you could use it for reference and stuff. But I think if people use it for malicious intent, such as like claiming that is their art or something, that's terrible, that's bad. But if you use it for useful intents, that's good. You could use it to make something out of an artwork for you, not like a complicated one, a simple for you to make something out of in Blender or something. It's useful for that, but for malicious intent, it's not good at all.